Hello friends, good morning. I am Professor Shreya Trivedi from AKDMC Jamnagar, and here we are going to continue the topic which we left in the last lecture, that was the voice. Now before going to the grammar topic, the voice, I will make you sure that please understand this well, and if you don't understand this, then I will send you to this ppt in your group, so that you can have a look afterwards. Also you can have a material for this, and if you have any doubt, you can have a check of this ppt. Okay, so uh, in the last lecture we have first studied what was the syllabus. First, the syllabus was the one of the text, that is wings. We are having a text in which we are having 5 chapters, that is the wings. And in grammar topic we have 3 topics. The first one is voice, second is phrasal verbs, and the third one is short composition, in which object will be given or any topic will be given. You have to describe it in a your own words, but in English, because we are studying in English. Then we have jumped directly to the topic voice. Okay, now in this we have studied that every language, let it be any of the language, Hindi, Sanskrit, English, or any language, every language has a sentence structure, or the structure of a sentence. In English also we have a pattern which is given as subject plus verb plus object. Okay, karta plus kriya pad plus karma, that is the general sentence pattern of English language. Okay, let us we have seen the example also, Sita goes to school. Now it is said that a sentence can begin either by the subject or by the object. એટલે કહેવામાં આવે છે કે એવું જરૂરી નથી કે સેન્ટેન્સ આવી જ રીતના બને. એવું બી બની શકે કે સબ્જેક્ટ પહેલાં હોય, એવું બી બની શકે કે ઓબ્જેક્ટ પહેલાં હોય. ઓકે, અને એ જ ડિસાઈડ કરે છે કે તમારો સેન્ટેન્સ એક્ટિવ છે કે પેસિવ. શું ડિસાઈડ કરે છે? Whether the sentence has been started by a subject or object. If the sentence is started by subject, then it is said to be an active voice sentence. And if it is if the sentence is started by object, then it is called a passive voice sentence. It is very common and general to understand, but still, if you don't remember, think like that: subject, active voice; object, passive voice. If the sentence starts with subject, it is active voice. If the sentence starts with object, then it is passive voice. Now let us discuss active voice in detail. The sentence starts with a subject and ends with the object is called active voice. See, I told you, the sentence which starts with a subject, okay, and ends with the object is called active voice. The sentence structure is subject plus verb plus object, that we have studied. Okay, examples also were given. Vijay sells toys. Okay, my uncle built a new house last year. You were drawing a picture at that time. Now passive voice, the passive voice starts with an object and ends with a subject. It is called passive voice. Okay, the sentence structure would be object plus verb in past form plus by plus subject. Examples which we were having in active voice, that only we changed into passive voice, so that you can understand it very well. Now what are you going to be asked? That is the transformation of sentences. Means what? Any type of sentence would be given. It is not sure that whether active voice sentence will be given or passive voice. Okay, but we will try our level best to understand how to transform a sentence. Transform means to change the sentence. Okay, now if the sentence is declarative. Now what is declarative? Declarative means, in general we can say simple sentence. Okay, simple. એમાં કાંઈ આડાવડું કાંઈ હોય નહીં, only simple sentence. Okay, જેમાં ટેન્સ બહુ સારી રીતે સમજી શકાય, ઓકે, એવા સેન્ટેન્સને સિમ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સ કહે છે, ઓર ડેક્લેરેટિવ સેન્ટેન્સ પણ કહે છે. હવે in each and every types of sentences the transformation is bit clumsy, okay, and it differs from sentence to sentence. So we are studying it through types of sentences, how to change a active voice sentence into passive voice sentence. Okay, see the example. First, Amit sings songs very well. Amit sings song very well. That is an active voice sentence. How you can get it that it is an active voice sentence? See, Amit sings songs very well. Amit is subject, કર્તા છે, doer of the action છે, એટલે કે action ને ઈ દર્શાવે છે. કોણ દર્શાવે છે? અમિત દર્શાવે છે. That is why Amit is the subject. Sings means the verb, okay, ક્રિયાપદ, અને songs મતલબ object. Clear? So subject plus verb plus object is active voice sentence. Amit sings songs very well. Now if we want to change that sentence, now see, this is the declarative sentence, this is a simple sentence. Amit sings songs very well. આમાં કાંઈ હા કે નાનો પ્રશ્ન નથી, ઓકે, કોઈ એમાં કોન્ટ્રોવર્શિયલ ક્વેશ્ચન પણ નથી આ, ઓકે, જનરલી કીધું છે કે અમિત સિંગ્સ સોંગ્સ વેરી વેલ. સો ઇન પેસિવ વોઇસ the object comes first. So what is the object in first sentence? Songs. So songs. Now see, are. Why are? Because songs is plural form, okay, પ્લુરલ છે, બહુવચન છે. જો એક વચન હોત, સિંગ્યુલર હોત, તો અહીંયા is હોત, okay, but songs are now past form of the verb. Sing is the verb, and what is the past form of the verb? Sung. Songs are sung very well by Amit. Okay, it is said that in the at the end of the sentence the subject should come, okay, so by Amit will be at the last. Clear? Now second, now I have given you 5 examples because there are different tenses, you can see. Now the first sentence was having simple present tense, okay. Now the second one we are getting the sentence of past tense. Ajay played cricket yesterday. See, yesterday and played, this both are the things you should always remember, that to change or to transform the sentence from active to passive, first you have to see the tense of the sentence, which tense is there, okay, and then you have to decide which type of sentence it is, okay. So here it is there, Ajay played cricket yesterday. Now see the sentence structure, okay, Ajay subject, played verb, cricket object, okay. Ajay is the subject, કર્તા છે, doer of the action છે. Played means ક્રિયાપદ, verb, ક્રિયા દર્શાવે છે, play. Cricket means the object, okay. Now when we change this sentence into passive voice, then we will say that cricket was played. Why was played? Because it is a past tense sentence, okay. Play, played, played, okay. So here the past form of the verb played will come. Cricket was played yesterday by Ajay. By Ajay should come at the last. હવે તમે કહેશો આ play, played, played એટલે શું? The main form, the basic form, past form and past participle form, that is play, played, played, okay. So this is the thing. Now the third one, my mother is making soup. Making, ing means continuous tense, and is there means what? It is a present continuous sentence, okay. Now my mother is subject, making is verb, and soup is object. If we want to change it into passive voice, see, if you have a clear idea, I want to just tell you that whenever you change passive, active to passive, you just have to do like that. You have to bring the object at the first place and subject at the last place, and at the middle, in the middle of the sentence, you have to put the verb in the past form. Nothing else you have to remember. Okay, so my mother is making soup. Now what is the object? Soup. Soup is. Why is? Present continuous tense. Present, so is. And ing. Now if you want to remove ing, you have to use a word being. Being, make, નું past form શું થાય? Made by my mother. Okay, soup is being made by my mother. See the sentence structure of passive: object plus verb, that is past form, plus by plus subject. Clear? Now fourth one, they have finished the work. The work, first of all let us see which tense is there. Have finished. Have means present tense. Okay, ed, finished. Now if the verb has ed form in it, then you have to bluntly say that it is a perfect tense sentence. Okay, so the sentence will be present perfect tense because have is there and finished is there. Present perfect tense sentence. Okay, now they is the subject and the work is the object. The work has been finished by them. You have to remember two things by changing this, that when you have a continuous tense sentence and you have to change it in passive voice, to remove ing you have to use a word being. And if you want to change the perfect tense sentence, then you have to use the word been, been. Okay, so what the sentence will come? The work will come at the first place. The work has been finished by them. Now you will tell why has, ઉપર તો have છે તો અહીંયા has શું કામ? Because see, there the subject was they. They means plural form. Okay, if we are changing and putting the work at the first place, now the work is a singular, so here has will come. Okay, the work has been finished by them. Okay, now I shall buy a car. I shall, so this is simple future tense. Okay, now if we want to change the active voice sentence of simple future tense to passive voice, how we will change it? Let us see. First of all, subject is I. Buy, buy. Buy is verb and a car is object. Now object will come at the first place. A car will be bought by me. Why will be? Because it is a rule in our grammar that along with I always shall will come. But if any other thing is there, then we have to use will. Okay, so here will be bought because it is a future tense sentence, so we have to add a word be. A car will be bought. Why bought? Past form of the verb by me. I hope you got the declarative sentence very clearly. Okay, so we keep up to this in this lecture, and we will continue definitely in the next lecture. Thank you for your cooperation, and yes, don't forget to comment your name and roll number in this as it is necessary for your internals. Okay, thank you. And yes, I want to make you remind that please, grammar is such a topic that you have to make a practice just as maths ની જેમ જ આની પ્રેક્ટિસ કરવી પડશે, એની વગર ફાવશે નહીં. So yes, do practice this thing. Okay, thank you and see you soon.